You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. This is the plural. If you want to learn how to pronounce more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Pronounced in English as platelets. So plate, just like a plate. Tlets. You essentially don't pronounce the first E. You link up the T and the L. Platelets. It's a tlets sound. That's the plural from the word platelet. One platelet, several platelets. How to pronounce English pronunciation, platelets. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.